In this video, I will show you step by step how you can save your Canva projects just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So this is my project and I want to save this project in my Canva account. So what you will do, you will just click on share, scroll down, click on more, and you should see over here save to folder or move to folder. Click on move to folder, scroll down, click on create new, and you just need to name your new folder. So for example, I'm gonna name it Canva 1 and click over here on add to new folder, and here you go. That's how you can save your Canva design or project on Canva to your folders. Okay, it's really super easy and simple, and your design will be saved in your Canva account like this. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.